makeup get ready with me Valentine's Day look. I just did this. I'm going to go through the entire thing. You can totally wear this for like Valentine's Day, on a date with your friends, or just if you want to do your makeup for fun. I hope you enjoy the video, and I don't want to keep the intro too long, but you should subscribe if you haven't already, and please give the video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Bye. Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you my Valentine's Day look, and first I'm starting off with a primer. It's from Younique. It's a really nice primer, and if you don't know the brand Younique, it is a really nice brand. My mom sells this makeup, so I get to use it sometimes, and I really love this makeup. Then I used an eye primer, and now I'm going to be using my Sephora foundation and blending it with a beauty blender I got from TJ Maxx. In my foundation color, I'm Claire Light Ivory, number 10, and I'm just going to be blending that in. I also don't have a concealer, so I went over a little bit on the pimples with a little extra foundation. And then I took a pressed powder in my fluffy brush I got from e.l.f. for $1 or $2. And I just put that on, and I especially got a thicker brush and put it on my under eye since I don't have concealer. I really baked it. I put it good under my under eyes. Then I took my contour palette from Too Faced and medium contour, and I just went along my cheekbones. And then I took the darker color to give me more of a warm bronzy look. And I just used a little bit because this color can be like really dark and pigmented, so I just used a dash to bronze me up a little. Then I do the same thing on the other side with the medium, and then I touched up a little bit with the more brown bronzy color. And then I kind of blend it along my jawline, and I take my fluffy brush and I put it around my hairline just to kind of give me a more tan look, and I put it on my neck just to make sure I'm not two different colors. After that, I get an angled brush. I'm pretty sure it's for your eyebrows, but I use it to contour my nose to get a really precise line. And then I blended it with an eyeshadow brush because I really wanted to make sure you couldn't see the line. Then I took one of my favorite blushes, Serene from Younique. It's a really light blush color with a gold reflection, and I just used a angled contour brush to put it on my cheekbones. Then I took my Kylie Jenner French Vanilla highlighter, and I got my highlighter brush from Ipsy. I really like this brush. It's nice and fluffy, and I used it to highlight my cheekbone, and then I also used it to highlight under my eyebrows, and I also used it to highlight my nose, which is one of my favorite places to highlight. I don't know why. I love highlighting my nose, even though it's a little ticklish. Then I highlighted my lip. And then I moved on to this palette, and this is a specially designed Valentine palette from Younique, and it's called Beloved. The first color I used was Adored, and it's a light blush color, and I just put that all over my lid because that was going to be my base color. And I just kept blending and blending. Then I used Alluring, and it's like a eggplant color. It's a nice dark purple, and I just put that on the outside, you know, like to make a little V shape, kind of like a smoky eye. I wanted to kind of smoke my eyeshadows. Smoke it. I wanted to make it smoky, so I wanted to use my dark color on the outside. So I just put a dash of that because I didn't want it to be too dark yet, because I still had used the color Devoted, which is the darkest color, and it's not black, it's just a really dark purple. And I used my highlighter brush actually just to put a little bit on because it was so dark. I had to be really careful. I was going to slowly put this color on. And then I blended it with one of my blending brushes. Also, I don't think I mentioned, I got most of these brushes from AOA Studios. I was just mentioning this because I bought all these brushes for $1 each from missa.com, and this isn't sponsored anything, but I just want to let you guys know how I got those brushes on a budget. And then I used the lightest color, Unwavering, and it's almost like a highlighter, and I used one of my mom's makeup brushes. It's really nice at blending, and I put that in my inner corner just to highlight my eyes. It's a really beautiful color. You can use it for so many things. You could even use it for a highlighter if you wanted to. Then I moved on to my white eyeliner that my mom bought me from Unique. You guessed it. This is a really nice eyeliner and it's so smooth. I put it on my waterline just to make my eyes pop and look a little bigger. Then I opened my Dip and Draw eyeliner and I struggled. I got this for Christmas because I had used it before. I really loved it and I wanted my own. So it's a really nice eyeliner, and I hadn't used it yet because it's more for special occasions and I don't wear like eyeliner on a daily basis. So I started putting that on my eye, and I just have to say that putting eyeliner on is so hard. Liquid eyeliner is an art, and I'm a perfectionist about it, and I struggle with my left eye because I'm right-handed. So first I started with my right eye because it was a lot easier to do. And that one didn't take too long. Then I had to move on to the harder side, the left side. And I started out pretty good, and it was looking pretty nice, even though it was a little difficult. I messed up a little bit, so I got a Q-tip and I tried to fix it. It was looking okay, but I, again, like I said, am a little bit of a perfectionist. I don't want them to look too different. So I kept using the Q-tip, trying to perfect it until I got something that was decently similar. I didn't want them to be two totally different ones, and I was okay with how they looked, so I moved on to my eyebrows. I got this eyebrow pencil from my mom. It's Unique. It is a Moodstruck Precision brow liner, and it's in the color dark. And my eyebrows are naturally pretty bushy. Like, I have some pretty thick eyebrows, and so I was just spending some time brushing them. And then after I brushed them, I used the pencil in and filled them in. And once I was done with my eyebrows, I moved on to my lips, and I put a little bit of eye primer on first. This is a trick my mom taught me. If you put some eye primer on your lips before you start, it actually like keeps it on a lot longer. And then I moved on to lip liner, and I used Pompous, and it's from Unique, you guessed it. And then for my lip like stick, it was a Velvet from the Kylie Jenner birthday collection. And I got this in the color Surprise Me. I put it all over my lips and let it dry, and then I actually went back to the Valentine palette, and I got a little bit of the lightest color, Unwavering, and applied it onto my lips for an ombre look. I went through the palette and put each color where I saw it fit. Like Unwavering went into the center, and it gave my lips an ombre look. Then I touched it off with some lip gloss from Unique. And finally, I applied my Epic mascara from Unique, which is actually the best mascara I've ever used. And then that was it. That was my makeup look. Thanks for watching.